So let's have a computer exercise. Let's use the same set of matrices. That is, A and B are yung same matrix as the calculator exercise, and then C and D are 3 by 4 matrices na same din sa calculator exercise. Okay, first, let's compute A plus 2 times B but using Microsoft Excel. Okay, so andito na ako sa Microsoft Excel, and then to perform matrix addition. So una natin gawin is mag-define muna tayo ng matrix. Okay? So ang una natin i-define yung matrix A and then matrix B. To do that, let's select range of cells. So since matrix A is 3 by 3, so let's select B2 up to D4. And then go to formulas and then define name. So let's define that as matrix A. Then make sure na yung na-select is ito. Okay, and then click OK. Yan siya. Para hindi tayo malito later, so lagyan na lang natin ng border. Yan. Then this represents matrix A. Okay, next, let's define matrix B. So select cell F3, then type matrix B equals, and then select cell G2 up to I4. Then go to formulas and then define name. Then let's call this matrix B. Then click OK. Then do not forget to add border para hindi tayo malito. So that when we call matrix A, ito kaagad ang automatic mag-select. And then if we call matrix B, ito naman ang magse-select. Okay? So let's input the elements of matrix A. So 1, -2, 3, 4, 5, -3, 2, 4, -6. Then for matrix B, we have 0, 3, 4, then -4, 7, 1, and then 3, 5, and then -8. Okay? So next, we want to perform A plus 2B. So dito sa cell A7, let's write A plus 2B equals. So ito siya is just lang yan siya, labeling lang. So text lang yan siya. And then let's select B6 or pwede din B7 or any cell. Then selecting any cell and then write the formula matrix. So lalabas ang list, drop down list na matrix A, B, etc. So pwede nyo double click ito, or you may type mat A. Okay, so automatic this range of cells will be selected. Okay, and then plus 2 times then matrix B. Yan siya. Ito ang matrix B. Then press enter. So that's it. Dali lang kayo mag compute og matrix sum using Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Excel is more powerful than the calculator because it is capable of solving more than 7 by 7 matrices.